How do you measure the thickness of conformal coating? There are several methods used to measure the thickness, and the choice of method may depend on the type of conformal coating and the level of accuracy required. Caliper. This is the simplest and cheapest method. To use a caliper to measure the thickness of a PCB before and after coating. Calibrated Thickness Gauges. These are handheld devices that use non-destructive methods to measure the thickness of the coating. They typically use magnetic induction or eddy current principles to determine the distance between the probe and the substrate, which correlates to the coating's thickness. Cross-sectioning and imaging. This method involves cutting a sample of the coated surface and examining it under a microscope. The thickness can be determined by measuring the height of the coating in the cross-sectional view. Ultrasonic testing. Ultrasonic thickness gauges use sound waves to measure the thickness of the coating. The device emits ultrasonic pulses, and the time taken for the waves to bounce back from the substrate coating interface is then used to calculate the thickness. X-ray fluorescence, or XRF. XRF can be used to measure the thickness of conformal coatings. It involves analyzing the intensity of X-rays emitted from the coating material due to bombardment by X-rays.